Hi everyone, happy holidays to you. This is a 1x2x3 Christmas tree twisty puzzle. There are only two very easy cases you need to know in order to solve this twisty puzzle. Ready? Let's go! For the first case, you have one of your middle layer piece upside down and flip like so. In order to solve this case, position your puzzle with the flip side on your right and apply this algorithm. R, U, R, U, R, U. With that, our Christmas tree puzzle is solved. For the second case, we have both the middle layer pieces upside down like so. In order to solve this case, first position your puzzle with the green side facing towards you, then apply this algorithm. R, E, R. With that, our Christmas tree puzzle is solved. I hope you liked this tutorial video. Have a great and wonderful holiday season. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.